Hi, so today we're going to work on setting up the 11,000 EZ. So the first step is remove the battery cover. Set that over here, take your battery connection out, and we're going to connect up. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Click, click. Make sure you get good clicks in there. Slide that back in, and then your battery cover goes flat side towards the screen. Just click that right back in. It's got the little O-ring that makes sure that it seals really nicely. Now you see the three little bars running up and down means we're ready to set. We basically have a down arrow, up arrow for the duration, and an up arrow and a down arrow for the cycle. And then we have our manual button and our delay button. So let's say we're going to run our irrigation for 30 minutes. So we're just up until we get to 30 minutes. And we want to do that every 2 days. And then we want to start that cycle. So it will run for 30 minutes right here. And then it will click off. It will wait for 2 days, 48 hours. And then it will run another 30 minutes. So you can tell the unit is running by the little faucet down here in the bottom. Now if I decide I want to stop the unit, then there's it's a little hand that's pointing down. It's a manual button, and we can click that. You hear the click, and then your faucet icon goes away. If we just want to run it for 30 minutes just because, we can click it. The faucet comes up. It'll run for 30 minutes and close itself, or you can click it and then it just automatically shuts it off. Then if I want to start it every 2 days running for 30 minutes, I want to start that 12 hours from now, then I just hit the D button. It says 0 hours delay. So we want to do 12 hours delay. We can do up to 12 hours by just continually pressing that D button. And then we can press our start, and it will delay for 12 hours. Once that time has elapsed, it will irrigate every 2 days for a duration of 30 minutes. If we decide we want to go 15, just click down or up to 15. Make it all happen. Then once you rotate down, install your unit on your faucet, then that keeps the unit out of being bleached by the sun and all that good stuff, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button to help us to continue to create more videos.